Hi there, I'm April, and today I'll be taking you through selecting freelancers for your project. Let's get started. Once you've posted your project on the platform, freelancers will be able to review it and request to work on it. When there are requests on your project, you'll be notified by email. To view requests, first open the project. You'll see the View Requests button. Click to view the requests to work on your project. You'll see the freelancers listed with their name and profile image, as well as their role, proposed start and end dates, when their request to work on the project will expire, and a short note. This note will help you determine if the freelancer is the best fit for your project. If you want to look at a freelancer's complete profile, click View Profile, which will open in a new window. To deny a single freelancer's request, click Deny. To accept a freelancer's request, click the circle beside their name and then Submit. This will send the chosen freelancer a message to confirm their interest and availability within 24 hours. Once they have done so, they will get to work bringing your project to life. If the freelancer doesn't confirm the order within 24 hours, you'll be able to select another freelancer from the list of requests. If you don't want to wait for a freelancer to request your project, you can always invite them instead. To do so, select the Freelancer Management tab and search freelancers. Here you can search for a freelancer by name or browse by using tags. Use the toggle at the top to switch between the search options. When browsing, you can narrow by role, tier, and niches. As you select tags, they will populate the search bar. Click Apply to filter the results. Browse the search results and click View Profile to see the freelancer. View their anticipated availability date, snippets, overview, and bio to choose the best freelancer for you. We recommend sending a freelancer you want to work with a direct message using the button on their profile to confirm their availability, because the availability date is not always accurate. You can also request a paid sample from a freelancer on their profile. You can invite the freelancer to your project by clicking the button. Choose the project you'd like to invite them to from the drop-down. If you choose Invite to Request, the freelancer can request to work on the project, and you can compare their pitch to that of other freelancers and then make a selection. If you choose Invite to Start, the freelancer will be assigned the project once they accept your invite. You can also leave the freelancer a message giving details about the project. Whichever way you choose, you'll be connecting with the right freelancer for your project in no time.